Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you all an insanely rich, velvety, creamy and decadent dessert which is egg free and with no hassles of baking, and most importantly it's a 100% foolproof recipe. Yes, I was talking about the most delicious no bake and no egg Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. Now come, let's get started. For making Lotus Biscoff cheesecake, I have taken Lotus Biscoff biscuit 250 grams. Pulse them coarsely in a mixer jar like this. Don't grind them to a fine powder, let them have a granular sand-like texture like this. To this add 80 grams of unsalted butter. Don't add salted butter to this recipe. This is to make the base for the cheesecake. This is 8-inch spring-form pan. It has a loose bottom. Spread the biscuit mixture with a spoon like this and gently press with the back of the spoon so that it forms a perfect base to hold the cheesecake. And refrigerate this for 30 minutes. This is wet gelatin powder. It thickens and stabilizes the cheesecake. Now take 3 tablespoons of wet gelatin powder and mix with 1/4 cup of water which is at room temperature. Mix well and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Keep it aside. This is not agar-agar powder. It's different from agar-agar powder. This is made from edible red seaweeds and this gives a very good texture. Now once it blooms, add 3 tablespoons of hot water and whisk gently. Never add boiling water to it. Let the water be just hot. Now keep it aside. Now take a mixing bowl and add 300 grams of cream cheese. This is Lotus Biscoff smooth spread. Add 150 grams of the Biscoff spread to the cream cheese, followed by 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Beat them over a slow to medium speed with an electric hand blender until they get mixed well. You don't have to overbeat them. The ingredients have to just get mixed up well and form a smooth paste. Take another mixing bowl and add 150 grams of whipping cream and add 1/4 cup of icing sugar to this and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat initially over a slow speed and after few seconds you can increase the speed and beat till the cream forms a smooth peak. Now add the gelatin to it and beat only for 15 seconds. Never overbeat, otherwise the gelatin would lose its gelling properties and the cheesecake wouldn't set well. Now incorporate the cream cheese and Biscoff mixture into this and mix with a spatula using the cut and fold method. Don't use the electric blender, otherwise the gelatin would lose its thickening and stabilizing properties. So use a spatula for this. Now it's ready. Spread this mixture over the set biscuit base. Spread it gently because the biscuit base shouldn't get mixed with the cream, so do it very gently. Use a spatula to give it a smooth and even finish like this and cover it with a cling wrap and set in the refrigerator for 8 to 10 hours, and it's a must. Leave it overnight in the refrigerator so that the cheesecake sets well. So minimum 8 hours. Now after 8 hours we can remove the cling wrap. You can see the cheesecake has been perfectly set. Now it's time to make the topping. Now take 200 grams of Lotus Biscoff spread and melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now it has been melted. Mix it gently, never heat it but just melt it. It should be in room temperature. Spread it over the set cheesecake. Do it very gently. Use the back of a spoon to spread it evenly like this. If you don't have a microwave oven, you can use double boiling method to melt the Biscoff spread. Now it's done. If you have extra biscuits, you can pulse them and sprinkle over the edges to get that crunchy bites at the corner, but it's optional. Now refrigerate this for 1 hour. After 1 hour of refrigeration, we can demold the cheesecake from the pan. There's no need of freezing before demolding because you've used the perfect quantities of the ingredients. You can see the texture as I cut the cake. It's so smooth but firm enough to make slices, and this shows that the recipe is 100% perfect for you to make the best ever cheesecake. Friends, please try this recipe and amaze your friends and family this festive season by serving this melt-in-mouth cheesecake, and I'm sure you will be applauded for its mind-blowing taste and texture. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please share this video with your friends. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.